We are on our way out to Goss Ranch in Augusta, Montana to shoot an episode of The Fix and
the Ironclad, focusing on some 2W gates just to see how they hold up to some real ranch work out here.
because if there's anything that's important to a ranch, it's gates.
Yes, sir. All right, so here we are with Casey at the Goss Ranch. Thank you so much for letting us come out to talk about these 2W gates. Do you mind giving us just a little bit of a backstory about your operation here?
Yeah, so the Goss family homesteaded this ranch in 1914. I married Charlie Goss, that's my wife, so I have the pleasure to be here as well. We took over operations in 2009, so been doing a lot here, rebuilding stuff that's my father-in-law built, his dad built, his grandpa built, so.
Right on. Been in the family for a long time.
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
A lot of people do rebuild their corrals over a lifetime. We started a few years ago replacing a lot of our homemade wood gates with the 2Ws. Came in very well built, strong gates. They've got a couple options for a standard gate or a heavy duty gate. As a progress, these two gray gates behind me, I hung those about 6 years ago. I'm still holding strong. Okay, so these are our heavy duty 2W 6 rail gates. These are 16 footers. Got these bolt-in hinges, full sockets welded on. They're greasable. They are adjustable, so the bottom is fixed. The top can go from about 42 to 50 inches. This will slide up and down. Really good welds, good heavy steel. And then they come with their own latch system on the chain. This one was already here, so we just use it. These are very heavy, so they're on really good arch posts, and we don't have sagging issues. The one great thing about these style of hinges is they don't come apart. The gate can't get popped off of them like some of the older style with the pin. That's what I like about them. They're really easy to adjust and keep tight with the two big nuts. So in our busy season calving and springtime, these gates are used every day, in and out multiple times a day. They do sit over the summer until fall, but we don't have any problems with them getting chipped up. You know, they get a few rust spots on them, but that's nothing to be concerned about. So we've been using the heavy duty gates on our main crowd alleys and things, and they are standing up to the abuse, so that's why I keep running 2W.